Good morning. I'm Jonathan from Newcon Builder. I've been in 25 years in the construction industry and has worked 18 years as a project manager. COVID-19 is the most challenging time of our life, as you have to steer the ship through the storm of COVID-19 and SMM compliance. And when we are about to see light at the end of the tunnel, our dear Putin decided to start the Ukraine war that disrupted and escalated all material price and upset already fragile supply chain. Over the years, as a project manager, I find that the most relevant site management tool is PLOC. P, planning. In the art of a war, a good general will not rush to war. A good project manager must spend at least 30% of his time to plan every stage of the construction. For a small contractor, the planning must be even way ahead, at least half a year, before any small step can be made. Organizing. In organizing, months before mobilization, coordination with the relevant subcon must be carried out to sequence the work, safe execution, and provision. Scaffolding and platform must be designed way before the hoisting and installation. And subcon in COVID-19 has scarcity of experienced manpower. If they can only have 5 scaffolders, you have to carefully detail their work according to severity and priority, according to authority compliance. Work at height, fall from height will go first. Any poor planning will lead to idling or escalation of demand for subcontractor workers due to our poor planning. Coordination meeting to be carried out days before the actual execution. Normally, our weekly staff coordination meeting is on a Monday morning. Before we set off with the week, all the important weekly meetings will be discussed and safety provision brainstormed together with the safety department. Leading. Site management is a very tough job. Every morning you need to march your men to do the safety assessment. We divide the site to different zones and different teams. We have different teams leader to lead different teams to carry out safety assessment. After the safety assessment and the site walk, permit the work will be signed. Controlling. Every end of the day, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., we will inspect the site to see the result of the product of our work for the day. We will pass the instruction for the next day working. And the cycle continues again and again for every phase of our construction, from piling, substructure, superstructure to roof installation work. Every stage of the construction activity, we must PLOC to ensure safe and timely execution.
Newcon Builders Private Limited was incorporated in July 2007 with consistent quality works and proficient services in managing our projects. We have been accredited to Grade A1 level contractor by the Building and Construction Authority of Singapore. Throughout our years in the construction, our company management have always taken safety as our top priority in managing our projects. We strive to provide a safe working environment for all our staffs, workers, subcontractors, and other stakeholders in all the construction projects we are undertaking. With our pools of experienced project directors, project managers, and committed safety personnel, we have continuously improved the safety standards in our construction projects. We believe in staying focused in our project management and always meeting and exceeding the satisfaction of our valuable clients. Our company slogan is building towards a better life for all our stakeholders.
Newcon Builders take safety as of paramount importance. As such, we carefully plan the safety management system, taking into consideration both internal and external safety factors, ensuring it is relevant to the purpose and strategic direction that affect its ability to achieve our objective and intended outcomes of our safety management system. Internal context can be facilitated by taking into consideration issues related to values, culture, knowledge, and performance of the organization from top management to the very last worker. External context can be facilitated by taking into consideration issues arising from legal, technological, competitive market, and culture aligning with the industry. We take internal and external issues as vital information that are monitored, reviewed, and documented in the risk-based thinking approach towards safety management system planning by understanding the context and taking into consideration of positive and negative factors or conditions that may have impact on staff, workers, and all stakeholders.
This procedure is to address internal and external communication, participation and consultation with interested parties related to the company's safety management system. It is also to facilitate staff's and workers' participation and consultation on the development of policies, procedures for risk management and changes that affect workplace health and safety. EPTW helps Newcon Builders Private Limited in the building and construction industry drive our digital transformation. Modules are built on a common platform, enabling access and synchronization on all devices. Application will be more accurate as checks can be done at the work area. The purpose of wearing personal protective equipment, PPE, is to protect employees from exposure to workplace hazards and the risk of injury. It is important to understand the use of PPE, how to select suitable PPE and their applications and the limits and constraints of PPE. A traffic management plan is key to addressing many of the risks related to the use of machinery in workplaces. Effective traffic management plans separate pedestrians, forklifts and other vehicles, to reduce the risk of forklift-related injuries and fatalities. Separate pedestrian walkways, forklift routes and operating zones with provision of barriers, warning signs, designated walkways or other safeguards to reduce risk of collision between pedestrians and machinery. The designated supervisor shall ensure that all plant and machinery are checked by the respective operators daily prior to the commencement of usage. Appropriate checklists shall be used and any malfunction or problems observed by the operators shall be reported to the designated supervisor immediately. Lifting and forklift operation is an integral part of any construction process. Every lift carries a set of risks that needs to be managed in order to prevent an accident from occurring. Unsafe lifting operations can result in catastrophic outcomes involving multiple fatalities and serious injuries as well as extensive damage to properties and facilities. Strong management commitment to improve quality and safety. Management strong involvement to continual improvement of CUC and safety procedures. Strong collaboration among stakeholders to ensure that project is handover on time with excellent quality, safety record. An effective workplace traffic safety management plan is necessary to ensure the smooth traffic and safe operation of vehicles at the workplace. The plan should take the following into consideration: transport activities taking place on site, workplace traffic conditions, types of vehicles operating in the premises, establishing traffic rules and regulations, environmental conditions such as road and weather, vehicle safety devices and available technologies, understanding work schedules, training and competency of drivers. Training will develop the competence of staff and improve their performance. It will also improve the staff awareness and knowledge in the management of quality, environmental, health and safety systems and help staffs and workers grow within the organization in order that, as far as possible, its future needs for human resources can be met from within. Safety promotion is the process used to communicate, develop and sustain safety in our organization. It helps organization improve safety performance by communicating lessons learned, border safety information, and the distribution of safety management system, SMS, principles and associated procedures. Safety-conscious workers and supervisors shall also be rewarded for their continuous effort. Workplace housekeeping may be defined as activities undertaken to create or maintain an orderly, clean,